That's a squirrel, yo.
The shit you see at my job. No, the belt flew off. And the cause.
That's a squirrel, yo.
Is that a squirrel?
It looks like a squirrel, bro.
Oh, bro.
It looks like... Oh, wait, no.
You alright, mate?
What's the name of this road?
You can't park there, sir.
I know I can't park.
Don't keep her loose.
She
start,
drops in that oil.
start spewing.
Hey! Hey, you can't park there! You can't park there! More. Curl the bucket. There you go.
Jesus Christ. Holy shit. This motherfucker just turned into a mini truck. Lowrider.
What a wonderful world.
No!
Don't worry. I'm not gonna do what everyone thinks I'm gonna do. Flip out, man.
Nu vă faceți o impresie greșită, el are 2 neuroni, dar e plecat în concediu Grecia.
Just getting my car fixed, but look where I'm at. What's happening right now?
God damn! God damn!
Father cat.
That's some bullshit!
It's 2022. What am I doing? Tap technology. Haha. Work smart, not hard. Are you tired? No. I'm exhausted.
So I used some of this concentrate stuff, and it said only use as directed. Use, where are we? Use the measuring guide. So I couldn't find it, so I just squirted stuff in there. But I've since realised that it's this bit here. Whoops. And we got water in there now, so hopefully it's the right hole.
Your shit's fucked up. I said my shit's fucked up. Well, I don't see how.
Maybe we go tend into some rabbits. Tend to rabbits.
I'm not Lenny!
Did you know that the Mach-E comes with an octopus?
They crammed all of that to give you a frunk.
Go slow.
Y'all really can't tell me that Volkswagen has a complicated suspension system when there's 4 control arms on an Audi.
No. Ooh. Yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
That's my boy. No, my boy. Father help.
Huh. There we go. Almost stepped in shit.